Let's just get you the latest when it comes to Mizoram, and it is the capital there, Aizawl, that's finally joining the Indian Railways map. After decades of waiting, a new railway line through the heart of dense forests, tunnels and towering bridges brings Mizoram closer to the rest of the country. Our special report brings you the story of grit, geography and groundbreaking engineering. Take a look.
The Bareilly-Serang railway line spans 51.38 kilometers through one of India's toughest terrains. It includes 48 tunnels together stretching nearly 13 kilometers and over 140 bridges, both major and minor. Among them, bridge number 196 stands out soaring 104 meters high. It's taller than the Qutub Minar by 42 meters.
The Bareilly-Serang railway line not only connects Mizoram's capital Aizawl to Indian Railways but also lays path for future expansion further south towards the border in Myanmar as India aims to complete one of its most strategic connectivity project, that is the Kaladan multimodal corridor that aims to connect Sittwe port in Myanmar to Zorinpui in Mizoram, bringing crucial connectivity to northeastern states.
It took almost 2 years to bring machinery to one of the most remote bridge sites. Roads were narrow and landslide prone often. Cranes and equipment had to be dismantled, carried in parts and reassembled on sites. And with 8 months of rain every year, workers were left with barely 4 months to build.
ये हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है 51.38 किलोमीटर है बैरबी से लेकर सारंग तक। इसमें हमारे 48 नंबर ऑफ टनल्स हैं, बाकी 153 नंबर ऑफ ब्रिजेस हैं। क्योंकि यहाँ पे वर्किंग सीजन हमारा बहुत कम रहता है। एक साल में हमारा 4 से 5 महीने मतलब कि नवंबर से लेकर मार्च तक ही वर्किंग सीजन रहता है। वो जो 4 से 5 महीने का विंडो है उसमें भी हमारा पीक का विंटर सीजन रहता है। उसमें भी अगर कोई 1-2 दिन भी बारिश हो गया तो आपका 1 हफ्ते के लिए काम बंद हो जाता है। तो इतने मिनिमम टाइम के अंदर इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट करना ये अपने आप में काफ़ी बड़ा चैलेंज रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी हमने इन चैलेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट किया और अपनी तरफ से पूरा कोशिश करने के बाद इसको जो है 11 साल के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट किया।
For Mizoram, this is more than just a train line. It means quicker travel, cutting the Guwahati and Aizawl journey from 18 hours by road to under 12 by rail. Ticket fares are expected to be around Rs 450, bringing affordable travel to students, families and traders.
We're on the first train that is running on the tracks from Serang to Bareilly. We are showing you the visuals of the beautiful bridge on the way. Now this establishes Mizoram as the 4th northeastern state with its capital city linked to National Railway Network, and this represents a landmark achievement in strengthening rail connectivity across the northeast region. It will also, boost the local tourism in the state, bringing a boost to the economy as well. Now, this is the first train that is running on the track from Bareilly to Serang. This is going to enhance the connectivity of the northeastern state, and this is going to be crucial in the development of the northeast India.
It also boosts tourism in a state known for unexplored natural beauty. Goods movement becomes cheaper, helping lower the price of essentials. For security forces, the line offers quicker movement near the Myanmar and Bangladesh borders.
ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ही एक जियोलॉजिकली टफ टेरेन में बनाया गया है, तो इसको कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के कई सारे चैलेंजेस आए थे, बट इन सभी चैलेंजेस के बावजूद भी ये काम काफ़ी तेज़ गति से पिछले इन 11 सालों में ये काम संपूर्ण हुआ और फाइनली अभी ये जो रेलवे ट्रैक है ये पूरी तरह से तैयार है और रेल के परिचालन के लिए ये अब तैयार है।
For the people who built it, the journey was as emotional as it was physical. Most workers stayed at the site through storms and winters.
After boarding the train from Serang, we have reached the first station, that is the Moalkhang railway station. We are being joined by few of the workers, the laborers who have done a lot of hard work to make this whole railway station. We'll just go straight to them.
हम 1 साल जैसा हो गया, तो काम हम लोग किया है, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, पेमेंट वूमेंट सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, काम भी बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। हम लोग का मेहनत बहुत सफल हो गया, वो उधर काम कर रहा है, वो सफल हो गया। जो मिजोरम में लाइन घुस गया है, ट्रेन चालू हो गया, ट्रेन चल रहा है। हम लोग जाने आने में अभी भी 1-2 ट्रेन मिलता है भैरवी से, वही अच्छा लग रहा है।
कठिनाई तो बहुत हुई है क्योंकि ये हिल एरिया है ना, इसमें तो रेस लाइन होते रहता है, इसलिए कठिनाई होगा। अभी तो ये तो सब हो गए, अभी तो इसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अभी अच्छा है, मतलब गर्व महसूस हो रहा है। और क्या बोलूँ आपको।
With the railway connectivity to Aizawl and the operationalization of Bairabi Sairang railway station, the government has showcased the commitment to resolve the long-standing issue of connectivity in northeast India. As the Northeast acts as an engine of growth and progress, the Indian Railway has expanded remarkably in Northeast India. As the Northeast acts as an engine of growth and development, we are also seeing the Northeast Frontier Railway has in fact taken up and completed task and railway project in difficult terrain. Now we are seeing the Northeast acting as a gateway to Southeast Asia, yet again showcasing India's economic progress and how India can benefit from the railway lines and connection all across the India. With camera person Ashwini Mehra, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.